Hello my Pouraholic friends, Loida here from loveacrylicpainting.com. Today I want to do a video where I'm going to be trying a new cell activator that I'm testing to go with the Polypour pouring medium from COLOURARTE. Let me bring that for you. So in one of my previous videos, I used, oh, never mind, this is Vivid Enamel. Hold on. Okay, here we have the right one. In one of my previous videos, I used this Vivid Polypour for one of my paintings, and I used these colors, the Purplelicious, Arabian Sea, and Luna. From all of these colors are from COLOURARTE, and so I used those, but I used them with my regular cell activator. But I tried it on that painting and it reacted, I'm assuming, with this Polypour, and it created some weird cells. Like, they weren't cells. My lacing kind of disappeared into my painting. It kind of broke up. I'll put the link to that video here if you're interested in seeing what that effect looks like. So anyways, I decided I'm going to try a different cell activator. I'm going to use a different recipe, and I just went online and looked for a couple of different recipes of other people, and I decided, okay, I'm going to try the easiest one that I can find, because I don't have Australian Floetrol. I think I've seen other artists use Australian Floetrol when they use the Vivid Polypour, and it creates nice cells. And I know you can already purchase Australian Floetrol here in the US. There's 2 or 3 websites where you can purchase that. But it is a little bit more expensive than regular Floetrol. So I decided I just don't want to keep buying more stuff, because I already have a ton of stuff and I need to use what I already have. So I'm going to just try a different cell activator with the ingredients that I already have on hand and see, what the results are for that. It's 1 tablespoon of this, 2 dropperfuls of this acrylic ink, and 1 tablespoon of water. And I'm going to be using the same base, the same pillow paint that I've always used, because I have this, I need to finish this. So I just want to finish the ingredients that I have so that I can start playing with other stuff and then decide what I like best and then just stick with that. Because my problem is that I have a ton of ingredients, stuff here, stuff there, and I need to stick to something, but I need to stick to something that works for me. So in the meantime, I'm just going to use up everything that I have so that I can get some. So for now, I'm just going to stick with what I have. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing as we did with the other painting, which was basically, I'm using the same colors. Purplelicious, and Arabian Sea. Why do I always say Z? Arabian Sea, okay? and then I'm going to be using Luna right on top. I didn't have any more of these little squares, like this. I ran out of those. I really like them, but I didn't have any, so I'm just going with a big 10 by 10, I think it is. So I need more paint for this kind of painting. And I might add maybe a little bit more. Should I add more Arabian Sea on top? Let's add this. A little bit Purplelicious. And then, dang it, bit of color there. Okay, and then more Arabian Sea. Okay, there we go. Just a little bit. Okay, let's start swiping. And again, I have my little ugly spatula here that is not very handy. I need to get the bigger one, the bigger kind, but again, can't be buying stuff. It's too much to buy, so I'll do with what I have for now. Dang it, I dropped some on there. Okay, I'm just gonna be swiping. To me, this feels a little bit too thin, but again, it's the first time I'm using it, so I don't know. And since this is a bigger painting, then the cell activator that I put here, it's not enough to go all the way across. So I'm gonna have to experiment here and add a little bit more. It's probably not gonna be the best swipe ever, but oh wow. I need more cell activator over there, but I'm afraid of adding it. I should have just put some in the middle and blown it out rather than swiping with this little minuscule spatula, which does not work very well. Oh well. I'm trying just to see if I get any more cells to pop up. I kind of want to swipe some more there, but I'm just afraid of ruining it. Let's kind of do it this other way. Kind of doing some squiggly lines here. Oh no, I put the cell activator in the wrong spot. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I put it on the other side and I was like, wait, I can't swipe. Okay, I'm making a mess here, but okay, let's see how this goes. So far, I can see at least that the cell activator, it's not disappearing. It's not breaking up like in the previous painting, so that's good. Let's just see how this turns out once we start tilting it, because that is the issue there, the tilting. I'm gonna add more on the sides because since I am not spinning, it's harder to like stretch it out and make this paint flow. Okay, let's go to a corner there. Last time I was singing A Whole New World and I kind of stopped in the middle, and then I got someone telling me, hey, you should finish that song. So should I? I don't know. I don't know if you guys like my singing or not. So if you don't like it, comment in the description box below. Let me know. I don't like you singing. Don't sing. And I won't sing. So, but for now, let me just finish that song since one of you requested it. So where was I? It was a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear, and now I'm in a whole new world with you. And I don't know if that's how the lyrics go, actually. I'm thinking to myself, are those the lyrics? Okay, if they're not, I'm sorry for messing it up. I did not look up the lyrics before singing. Before doing my painting, I completely forgot. But let me see if I can remember the rest of this song. Unbelievable stars. Wait, maybe. I don't know. Indescribable feelings over sideways. No, that's completely wrong. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride. I can't remember what's next. I'm sorry, guys. I haven't sang that song in a long time, and I haven't seen that movie. It's my favorite movie, but I haven't seen it in a very long time. But, okay, let's get back to the painting. I love this, okay? The cells are a lot better. They're not breaking up as much as the other one. I mean, they're still not completely circle shaped, but it's mostly, I believe, because I'm tilting this painting. I like this, and I really like the colors. I love the colors. I love the blues and the purples, and it's just fantastic colors. So let me bring you down so you can see. Okay, so let's take a look at this, and let me see if I can get the shimmery, sparkly effects here for you. That's kind of the shade, the colors that I see with my naked eye. Obviously, they're more beautiful with the naked eye than they look on camera, but nevertheless, I have to show you something. And I just love how these colors look so fantasy-like. You know, that blue and that purple together go very well. And then the Luna is kind of like a grayish color. You can see it there next to the blue, purple. That's more of the true colors there. So that Luna color, and I'm sorry for that light. It just, let me turn it off. Okay, there we go. So that way we don't see the reflection of the light. But as you can see, you know, very sparkly colors. Can kind of appreciate the colors there. Very fantasy-like. Okay, so the cells still not my favorite, but they are a little bit better than they were in the previous painting. I need to get a better spatula so that I can get everything in one swipe rather than trying to make little swipes here and there. So anyways, that's the painting. Hopefully you liked it. Let me know in the comments, you know, what you'd like to see next. I'll keep on tweaking this cell activator formula and seeing if maybe thickening it up a little might help, you know, with the cells, or if I need to add anything else to it. So anyways, for now, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, for those of you that requested me finishing the A Whole New World song, here's the song. I'm not gonna record myself because I'm shy singing on camera, but here it is. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sights, indescribable feelings, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise, every moment red letter. I'll chase them anywhere, there's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world, that's where we'll be. A thrilling chase, a wondrous place for you and me. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.